Samsung is facing challenges in keeping the details of their upcoming Galaxy S24 series confidential. Slated for an official unveiling on January 17, 2024, almost all of the smartphone's features have been leaked by various sources. Notably, a detailed image of the Galaxy S24 Ultra was disclosed through a leaked marketing poster. In Brazil, several retail stores have already begun displaying the Galaxy S24 Ultra through posters, revealing its tagline, "Galaxy AI is here." The leaked English poster highlights a quad rear camera unit and a color-matched S Pen. The image shows the Galaxy S24 Ultra in a titanium gray variant, featuring a quad camera setup with a laser autofocus unit and a matching S Pen stylus. Notable elements include two microphones on the top and an antenna line on the phone's frame, suggesting the use of a metal, possibly titanium, frame for enhanced durability. The poster also introduces Galaxy a suite of AI and generative AI-powered features for the S24 series. It mentions that a Samsung account login may be required for certain AI features and specifies the compatibility of the S Pen with the S24 Ultra, not with the standard S24 and S24 Plus models. Recently, the Galaxy S24 Plus appeared on Walmart's website, revealing many details about the flagship device. Before being removed, the Onyx Black version of the Galaxy S24 Plus was listed, indicating that this might have been an accidental leak. European prices for the S24 series were also inadvertently shared. Samsung's special offers for early orders include doubling the storage for the same price, a strategy previously used for the Galaxy S22 and S23 series. For example, purchasing a 256GB Galaxy S24 Plus would yield a 512GB model at no extra cost. Additionally, Samsung plans to offer discounts on Galaxy Buds FE and the Galaxy Watch with a purchase of a Galaxy S24 series phone. The first official teaser for the Galaxy S24 series Unpacked event in 2024 was recently leaked. The event is set for January 17 in San Jose, California, and is scheduled to begin at 10 o'clock a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Typically, Samsung sends out event invites 2 weeks in advance, but this time they were sent out 15 days earlier. The standard Galaxy S24 is expected to feature a 6.2-inch 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, the latest Snapdragon or Exynos processors, 8GB of RAM, and a 4000 mAh battery. The S24 Plus will likely boast a larger 6.7-inch display, 12GB of RAM, and a 4900 mAh battery. The flagship S24 Ultra is anticipated to come with a 6.8-inch display, up to 1 TB of storage, and a 5000 mAh battery, all models offering improved durability and advanced AI features. As the launch date approaches, more details are expected to emerge, offering a clearer picture of what Samsung has in store for its latest flagship series.